Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today what we're going to be doing is very simple. I'm going to be using this my fabric. It is 80 in length and 18 in breadth. 18 in breadth, 80 in length. That is the size of this material. And to start with, I'm just going to first divide the material into equal parts. Then we are going to make it all through. So this is what I need. Okay. So the first thing, okay, so I'll first share it into equal part like this. So after sharing into equal part, I'll find a way to place the material down. So I'm going to place it like this, fold inward, then I'll go up like this. This is what I'm going to do. Go up like this. Oh no. Can we see what I'm doing? So the middle basically, I'm going to focus on the middle. So when I have the middle pleated like this, let's go like this and trace it down. Trace it down. So I'll trace the pleats down. So I already have the pleats made, so I'll just fold like this. Like this. Trace this one to downward again. Okay, so you can see this like this. So this is where I first need. I need this first. I need it to be yeah. Very simple, very easy, you know. So after you use this one, you can press down like this. Okay. Now, my band. So you have this hole here, you have this two hole here, right? This one too. I'm gonna place like this, and we're gonna place like this. Okay. What? Okay. Since my material is long, let's try. Let's see. Guys, so guys, this is what we have for this particular style one done and dusted, and I'll be showing you another style. You can basically much, but if you don't like it standing the way mine is standing like this, gently pick this angle downward like this. Just gently match it with one of the piece from this, ouch, just shook myself. Okay, match it and pin. Okay, and you still have this, still have your ring. Okay, so this is second style, and if you like this, you can go for this or the first one. I like this as well. We are going to change just a little thing as well, so we're going to loose this up. Okay, and this, like this. Okay, and now, so let me remove the rubber band. Remember, I used a rubber to hold this, so you can just remove it. So let me arrange down like that. Just dip it in there somehow. Okay, and that's it. So we have it like this, and this comes off. You have it joined together like this, and at the center, had it brought at the center to beautify. So it comes like this. So guys, this is where we're going to be stopping for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video, and I'll see you guys